I did. I bought into the trend. I feel like I'm like in way too big of clothes. Let me take this off. I was trying to do no spend January, but like, I mean, I am very excited. I don't know if you can see back here. I mean, you can't really see the packages behind the ASOS one, but is this free advertising for ASOS? Yes, but you know, do I care? No. I have been waiting to open these for the past 4 weeks because when you shop on Asos Marketplace, they don't all come at the same time. Some of them take weeks to arrive, so my patience level is just at an all-time low. I'm still waiting for one more item, but can I wait another day? No, I cannot. Okay, so without further ado, let's open this up because I can't wait. I'm so excited. I'm gonna open up this one first because like I think it's the most kind of speaking to my soul. I should have brought like a knife or like a scissors or something, but you know. Okay, I am nervous. I'm not going to lie. I am a tad bit nervous just because I've never shopped on ASOS Marketplace before, so I'm just kind of a bit cautious that like it's not gonna look nice. Okay, right? Okay. Oh, okay. I know which one this is. Corduroy blazer in brown, like a vintage corduroy blazer, which I'm very excited about. I got a lot of blazers. God, they're really well packaged, like honestly. Okay. Right, I'm just cautious about the sizing. I mean, I like this. Oh my god. I mean, the arms are a bit short, but I mean, like everything else, I do really like. Ooh, okay, this is actually very exciting. I mean, I wish the arms were just a tiny bit longer. But other than the arms, I mean, I do really like it. I like this a lot. Okay, I'm getting more excited now that like, okay, that's the first one opened. I mean, that was probably the least risky of them all, but you know, it's open. I'm gonna leave everything up here just so you can kind of still see it whilst I'm opening everything else up. This was only £8 plus £7 delivery, which I mean, you know, isn't great. But yeah, I mean, what size is it actually? Sorry, because it's even like it's bigger than my like normal kind of size, like 42 chest. Like I'm normally like a 38 or something, so like it's bigger than what I normally buy. So it should really fit perfectly. Okay, this one is from Retroactive. Hold on, this is from Goose. This one's from Retroactive. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Oh my god, this is kind of. Oh, it's very itchy. Oh my god, I can feel that on my skin. This is like a vintage Ralph Lauren kind of jumper. Okay. Right. Let me just fix my braces here so I can put it on properly. I don't want to rip anything. Let me do a little cool transition. Ew, my hair. I know it's not even like, okay. Oh my god, okay. Wow. I love this. Like, I love this a lot. So far, I mean, only 2 items in, but so far, this is like perfect size. I hope I don't grow anymore because like, honestly, like as if you'd be able to find anything like this cool in Ralph Lauren at the moment, like currently. Like, wow. I'm so happy. And with my like, you know, maybe this is a cool vibe. Okay, right, okay. I need to breathe. I'm gonna breathe. Okay, right. Okay, what do I want to open up next? I'm just too excited. Okay, right. I'm gonna open up one more of the vintage stuff, and then I'm gonna go into what I got in ASOS here, and then go back to the vintage stuff, because I just cannot contain my excitement. Okay, right. Let's go to this one here. Okay, another blazer and a pair of jeans. Yes. Okay, I'm nervous about the jeans because my legs aren't short. So I'm going to try the blazer on first. I mean, cute blazer. Yeah, very nice. It's like that vintage look, which is cute. I actually have like a Harrington kind of jacket that's similar to this kind of pattern. Okay. Yeah, this is the kind of oversized kind of blazer look I was going for. Like, just, you could put this over a hoodie. I do like it with this kind of knit though. I think it's really nice. Yeah, like just powerful. I mean, it's a blazer, like what? what do you want me to say about it? It's cool, I like it. It'd even be cool, like maybe, I don't know, Give me some tips then in the comment section on how to wear this, because I'd be interested to hear. Okay, I'm nervous about these. Okay, I mean, so far, I mean, no, okay. These could be okay. These could be okay. I'm just gonna put them on over my trousers because, like, I'm too lazy to go, like, changing trousers completely. So, I mean, I know it mightn't be the most accurate kind of, I'll do a spin to transition it. I feel like I'm, like, in way too big of clothes. Let me take this off for a second. I'm gonna put this up here. And I'm just gonna take it all in because I don't normally wear trousers like this kind of loose, but I do want to kind of try to get into that because I do like how it looks, and I do like how this looks. Like, I mean, I don't know if I can pull it off, to be honest. Like, maybe like not with this, or maybe different color, but like with Air Forces or something. Oh, let me try these on 1 second now. I mean, I feel like it makes my feet look awful small. Does anyone else get that, like, when they wear, like, kind of more baggy kind of trousers? I mean, they're comfy, even though, like, I mean, I can't really tell the comfiness of them because I have my trousers underneath them. But, yeah, I mean, I think they're kind of cool. I feel very, like, kind of, I don't know, like, kind of, oh, oops. Just, like, yeah, like, relaxed. I don't know if I can pull it off, though. That's the thing, like, that's... Okay, let me just take them off, okay, right. But I mean, regarding leg length, they're perfect. Yeah, so it's like from a vintage brand. It's cool. Yeah, happy with them. Not too bad. Not too bad. I'm literally like starting to sweat now. I'm that like exhausted. Let's open up this one here and just see what ASOS has to offer. Oh, actually, there's one more I want to open up first because I'm very excited to see what this looks like. I bought into the trend. I did. I bought into the trend. I got myself some pearls. Yes, I did. I'll read that after. These are 22 centimeters. I hope they're like not too like big, to be honest. Oh, okay. I mean, I'm not going to lie, that's a lot of pearls. I didn't think it was going to be that big, but you know, we're just gonna rock with it. I mean, cute. I mean, we'll figure it out. We'll figure out a way to wear them that, you know, they don't look stupid, because I mean, at the moment, like, I mean, they kind of just look, I look like an old lady, but we will figure out a way to rock them a bit better. So let me just take that off because it's not the vibe right now, but they are cute. Okay, right, let me just tear into this because I got myself a really good steal, a really good deal. I did. Oh my goodness, so well packaged. Oh my goodness. Oh, did I only get one pair? Okay. Oh, okay, interesting. I thought I bought two. I got myself a pair of trousers from Ted Baker. Yeah, that's where I got them from. I just wanted like another pair of like kind of suit trousers. I'm gonna get them tailored a bit, or maybe I won't. Let me try them on because I never really try on trousers whenever I order them. I almost just assume that they're not going to fit properly. Again, we're trying over the trousers because, I mean, hello, we're not doing that today. I mean, these are the best fitting ones I've bought that, like, you know, off the rack. Like, normally they kind of flare out at the bottom, but these, like, they fit really nice. And I'm very surprised. So, Ted Baker, well done. I'm just going to take this off because it's starting to annoy me now. Like, I just feel like I'm, like, I don't know. It's not the vibe that we're going for right now. Yeah, so you can appreciate it a bit more now. You can see like everything. Yeah, I do like them. Like, obviously I'll have to put like a belt, you know, belts in here at the moment. So yeah, but like, I mean, yeah, I like these. These are a good fit. Good purchase. I mean, these were a really good steal. Like, where's the receipt for them? Sorry guys, I did buy two trousers. I knew I did. No, there's no receipt there. Okay, well they were down from €240 to €40. I mean, if you didn't want to buy them then, I mean, you couldn't pass that deal up. Okay, let's try these ones on. This is a workout and a half, honestly. I'm not as excited about these ones because, I mean, they're not like my style at all, and I probably won't ever wear them. Yeah, like they just, like, no, they just look a bit like kind of chatty for me. They're from Selected Homie, and they were €50. No, I hardly spent €50 on these. No way. No, they must have been on sale because I would not have bought these if they were. Yeah, to be honest, I might, they look a bit metallic, and I don't really like that. So we're gonna give them a miss, I think. Like I thought they were gonna be more of a textured kind of finish, but they're not. They're just like not very nice. Okay, right. Back to the vintage stuff. What's in here? So I got myself like a little kind of vintage like cardigan, because I thought that was really cute. And it was really cheap as well. So like, I mean, that's one good thing about the marketplace is it's so affordable. Like it's so affordable. Like literally you can get so much stuff for like hardly anything. The only thing that gets you is the delivery charge. That kind of doubles the price. Not going to lie. So you think, oh my god, I'm getting like 8 items for like €100, and then next thing delivery comes in, and it's either, I think my whole total was like 240 or something, which is still less than my Zara order that time. That was ridiculous for like the same amount of stuff. So shopping on a budget. Oh yeah, I like the color of this as well. Like I do like it's not like a navy, which is nice because I have a navy cardigan. Like I can wear it now with like black trousers, and I do prefer like the kind of fit of it. Like it fits a lot nicer, I think. Like it doesn't sag. Like it just like falls nicely, and it's again perfect size. Like honestly, I've gotten so lucky with sizing. I do think, because I don't know if like everyone will be this lucky, but I was. I'm very thankful for that. But yeah, love this. This is by Electric Avenue. Like the weird thing is, like, God knows who wore this before I did. Like that's like, you know, like years ago. You don't know who could have been wearing it, which is really, you know, exciting or scary. Okay, right, last bag. Okay, we have another blazer, because I told you there's gonna be a lot of blazers in this haul. I think this is the biggest. Oh my god, this is heavy. Jesus, this is a heavy. I'm just trying to see if they're clean. I'm just hoping to God that they are, because oh my god, could you imagine? Oh, I have to take like 50 showers tonight if. But they do. They smell clean, which is nice. Okay, I like this color. I'm just cautious about the arms. I like this actually. Yeah. Yay! Oh, woo! Yeah. I need to sneeze. Oh my god, I just feel like allergic to it or something. Like this is cute. Imagine like wear a pair of blue jeans as well. Like, you know, you can even wear like a black hoodie. Like, I mean, I just love the versatility of all these items. Like there's 1, 2, 3 pockets on the inside, and then 1 pocket over here, 2 pockets on the outside. I'm just waiting for one more item to arrive. It's a grey hoodie. So I think it's pretty self-explanatory. If it comes before I upload this video, I'll slot it in at the end, but if not, thank you for watching. Let me know what your favorite piece was out of this haul. I think my favorite piece is, it's either between this or, I don't know, it's so difficult to pick. I'm, to be honest, most surprised by the jeans, because they're size like 40, no, that can be right. 48, no, that cannot be right. I think my favorite piece, oh my goodness, I don't even know. It's hard. I really like this. Like I do really like this. I like this. Okay, I'm gonna arrange them here. So I'm gonna say these 3 and this are my favorites. Yep. Oh, and I mean, we'll give the pearls another try another time, but like honestly, I don't want to look like someone's grandmother. These pearls are very big. But yeah, we'll figure them out. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like me to buy some more things and film some more hauls, I will. I know it's been a month and a half since my previous haul. I was trying to do no spend January, but like, I mean, no, like that's not, I'm spending loads of money on projects. Not my money. On projects anyway, so like I was like, you know what, I might as well just treat myself whilst I'm at it. So that's everything I got. And thank you for watching. Bye.